Here at the Texas Native Nursery in Austin. Doing some plant scouting. Bees are loving these. Beautiful. The nursery industry is hit hard by the winter freeze, so the inventory is depleted. And a fair amount of dieback on the woody plants, some of them. And then there's all kinds of incredible plants just to come up and look at that detail. Nearly 3,000 native Texas wildflowers. So there's always something in bloom and a rainbow of colors to choose from. Lots of very fine detail. That's the hallmark of the Texas wildflower. Nice big bur oak there, giving the office some shade, looks like. Big Texas sky.